Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. 2011 Land Rover LR4. Doing some rear brakes. This is going to be the standard brakes, not the ones with the electric brakes, but it does have a sensor. So, pretty simple on this one. 13 millimeter bolts. Caliper comes off. New pads. New sensor. Here's the routing for it. It's pretty simple. The connector for it is right there, behind the air shock. Wraps around, has little clips and stuff like that it goes into, so if you start off on the back, go the first one, can't mess up the routing on it too much. This one then will get in place in the far side right over here, so that when the brake pad itself breaks, gets below a certain spec, the sensor itself breaks and then the light turns on. I do not believe there's any reset procedure for this, but I will double check when I get in, and if needed I will update the video for that part. As far as that, rear brake's pretty simple. This customer kind of let it go a little too long, but very minimal scrubbing right there. Just got to the first part, so they're okay with that. That'll wear out in about 10 miles or so. Pressing the caliper, put brake lube on so you don't hear any kind of friction when it moves around. But other than that, please like and subscribe, and any questions or comments, let me know.